Okay, you do that. Okay, I'm doing an update video right now. But on the phone, people, so yeah, this is what? No, I'm using my webcam thing on because I don't feel like I don't use Movie Maker, I use Sunny Vegas. Oh, I'll show you later when you come over or something. Okay, hey guys, it's Hunter Jumper 45. I just totally messed that up. It's Hunter Jumper 4545, and I'm making an update video, even though I have nothing to say because, let's see. Oh yeah, okay peeps. Okay, this is what you need to do. So, I don't know, some of you people might have been subscribed to Freaky Horse Lover 1153, but now you should go sub to it's the same person. Yeah, her name's Rachel, I'm pretty sure. Sorry, I'm on the phone with you. Okay, go subscribe to Miss For Hose. I'll put her channel in the description box. Okay, yeah. I love you forever. Not really. Yeah. Okay, bye.